Hey guys, RachaelCPR here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope all is well with you. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my lineup for the week. I have found that I have been getting very bored with my hair, and I know a lot of you have been asking me why I'm not making videos, and I'm just really bored with my hair. Obviously things are very different in the world right now, and I don't feel that I do my hair in order for me to go out as much as just doing the same routine every 3 days of washing my hair, letting it dry, and then going wash, go, go. That sounds so weird. It was just getting a little bit I was just getting bored with my hair, and so I started doing different things with my hair, like I was straightening it, and I'm happy that I did go through the whole process of straightening it, because then I realized that my hair was in a condition where it actually curls up after I straighten it, which has never happened in the history of me straightening my hair. So I'm really happy about that. I thought about cutting it off and just, doing something different, but instead I said maybe I will just try planning out my week as to what I want to do with my hair to see if it just gives me a little bit more life into my hair. I really worked hard to have healthy hair, and I just don't want to damage it because I'm bored. So I'm going to be planning out my week, and for this week I'm going to share with you the shampoo and conditioner, everything that I'm using for this week. I did stop stockpiling products. Number one, when we went on lockdown in the beginning, there were certain products that I was getting in store that I wasn't able to find anymore, and even online for a period of time they were limited to just one product at a time. And so I really went through a lot of the reserve of product that I had, and I think I like the idea of not really stockpiling products that I'm using that are older. And so I'm just going to be using fresh product. By just when I need a new product, I just go to the next thing, so that I'm not using product that's been sitting for a really long time, because it seems like it is making a bit of a difference. So I'm going to go right into exactly what my lineup for my hair is, and then I'll show you some other things I have planned for the week. To start off, I am going to show you the products that are I'll show you the products that I'm just like about out of. And this is the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate Repair Shampoo and Conditioner. This is the third container of these products that I went through, and I know for myself, whenever I use a product consistently for entirely too long, it doesn't do the same thing for my body. And it seems like it takes a smaller amount of time for me than it does for other people. And so I'm going to switch up. As much as I want to just get another set of these and just use them again, I know I don't want my body to get used to this to the point that it's like, not really working as well for me. And so I'm going to take a break from these. I probably have one more shampoo and, yeah, maybe one conditioner for me and one conditioning for my daughter. So this right here is what I have been using, but it's on its way out. My next shampoo will be with this, but then I am going to switch over to my Garnier Fructis Pure and Clean line. I love this product line. I keep it in my shower because when my boys get into the shower and they want to shampoo their hair and condition their hair, this is really, really good. And so I am going to switch over to this for a little while, and then I will go back to maybe I'll go back to Shea Moisture, but I may go to a different line that they have, something that I haven't tried. But this is the Pure and Clean line. I absolutely love this the most of the Garnier line, and these products are so inexpensive. This $6.97, this $6.97 in Walmart. So for the two of these right here, you pay $14, and the size is 33.8 fluid ounces. So this is really a bargain, and they work very, very well. They do not strip your hair, and they definitely leave your hair very clean and refreshed, and the conditioner is extremely hydrating. Along with the shampoo and conditioner, I am using the Pure and Clean Styling Gel. I've shared this with you before. This is a fabulous gel. Right now, this is my go-to wash and go hair gel because this dries very quickly and it gives me really, really good hold, but it does not leave my hair super crunchy. It just has a cast that once you break it, your hair is just light and fluffy. So even if you use a lot of it, it says it has an extra strong hold of a level 3, and I really, really like this. This is one of my favorite gels that I'm using right now when it comes to my wash and go, because it doesn't take forever to dry. So this is really an awesome product, and this will be my wash and go gel for this week. Now I know I will be wearing this ponytail for this week. I'm going to wear it a few times, more than likely. That's my plan anyway. And so I pulled out a gel that is going to keep my hair smooth like this without me having to do a really tight ponytail. Like my ponytail right now is not really tight. I just smooth it back with the gel, and the gel that I use for my ponytail is the Extreme, the Wetline Extreme. I believe this is still Wetline. It says something completely different on it, but I believe this is the Wetline. And this gel is what I use when I wear my hair in a smooth ponytail, because this is what keeps my hair very smooth without my hair being tight and pulling my edges. So that I have pulled. I have this gel, the other gel, and then I have my ponytail pulled, and this is my ponytail with the highlights in it. Over here, this is a human hair unit that I actually put together from hair that I've shared with you. I really like my synthetic ponytails, but as of late, I've been liking the versatility of my human hair units, because I can use a curling iron on it. I can just like accent the curls. Like today, I wanted the curls to be accented, so I accented the curls, and I'm really liking it. So I was in the past just wearing synthetic hair units for my ponytails, but I think I've made the change over to human hair units because they are so much. They're more versatile. You just have more fun with them. And now on to clothing that I picked out to wear for this week. I have been shopping my stash for at least 2 outfits a week that I want to wear. And what I do normally, and this is something I've shared in the past as well, is I will go onto Pinterest and I will pick out a piece of clothing, or I'll key in a piece of clothing that I have, and I'll see different ways that people pair it. So for this week, this is the piece of clothing that I will be just styling out and wearing for this week casually. This is just a really pretty column dress. It is a midi length, and it's really comfortable. I have this in this gray color, and I also have it in a really soft dusty rose color. It is so beautiful, but the gray one is definitely the one that I wanted to wear for this week, because I always wear the dusty rose one. And so I thought this would be a really nice one for me to pair out, and just to find different ways of styling this. I am not really going out anywhere. I go to the grocery store, and when I go out to the grocery store, I normally try to run all of my errands, anything I need to do outside of my house on that one day. So I usually like to wear something that's nice and comfortable, but I will say I have been trying not to wear too many things that don't reveal my waistline, or should I say the size of my waistline, because I don't want to be in the house so much and not realize that I'm like gaining weight and not recognizing it because I'm not wearing structured clothes. So this dress right here, I definitely have to pay attention to my waistline. So this right here doesn't, fall into that category. But I've been liking to wear like structured skirts or jeans that make it so that I realize, okay, this is getting a little snug. And I'm saying that because I had a pair of jeans that were like my slouchy jeans, and the last time I put them on, they were tight. So I am definitely just trying to stay away from wearing overly comfortable clothes, so that I don't recognize when my waistline is expanding. So the next thing that I picked out is this incredibly gorgeous dress. I bought this dress from Walmart. This dress is so gorgeous. When I tell you, it's really long. See how long that is? And I have it snatched at the waist with a little elastic, because in general, I wear this with a belt. And so I'd like to see how it will look with the belt. And it tells me that usually I'll style this with a belt. But it is actually a plus size garment in Walmart right now. It comes in maybe 5 different colors, different patterns, different colors. This dress is so amazing that I think I may end up going back and getting another one in the same pattern, so that when this one right here, I don't have it, I will have another one. That's how comfortable and how beautiful this dress is. Normally, I'm tall, I have broad shoulders, and so I like to, when I want a long dress, I will usually go to the plus size section, because then I know if it's an oversized dress, you put on a belt, it really doesn't matter when you have broad shoulders, because it will still hold, you'll still be able to hold up the dress. But then with this dress in particular, I thought maybe the sleeves would be entirely too short, but this has really good length on the sleeves. This dress is gorgeous. I can't believe this dress was $19.99. And when I saw it hanging on the rack, I was just so happy about it. And so I've already worn this a couple of times, twice, and it's fabulous. This is a really good one to wear with heels. This is a good one to wear with flat sandals or some Chuck Taylors. It is such a pretty dress, very versatile. The collar right here comes down a little bit lower than I want it to, so I will more than likely just stitch it up just right there so that I don't have to wear a t-shirt underneath it. But it does come down just a little bit further. But like I said, it's a plus size dress, so if you get it in your own size, that may not happen. But again, I wanted it to be super long, and that's what I got, and it is gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. And so I'm really looking forward to wearing this again this week. The next category is going to be kind of weird. I have been doing press-on nails, and I know a lot of people are doing press-on nails now simply because they're not going back to the nail salons, and I have not gone back to the nail salons, and I really, really missed getting my nails done. So I have been doing press-on nails, and planning out the next set of nails that I'll be wearing is something that I do weekly now. And for this week, I have this set on right here, and I do love it. I love the clear natural jelly nails, but I think for next week, let's see, I think I'm going to go along the line of still doing clear jellies, but this one is more pink iridescent. It's either that one. I have these two that are the same color, but they have different designs on them. So this one has sparkles, and this one has a little design on the forefinger. And then the other option that I have are these right here. And so you can see I have very boring taste when it comes to my nails, but these are the ones that I'm going to be choosing from as far as, and I have a little container here with my nails in it. And if you want to see a video more of my press-on nails and things like that, or how I do them, I would be more than happy to share that with you, because I love doing my nails. It is just like a highlight of my week. Okay, last but not least, I am going to share with you the lip products that I chose for this week. And my lip collection that I have for this week, here is the little bag that I have. I normally choose a nude and a red, and then an assortment of lip liners to change up whatever new color I'm going to be wearing. And so I always have this in here. This is my MAC Prep and Prime lip base or lip primer. This does make a difference when you wear a lip primer as far as keeping your lipstick on. I'm going to be using my favorite lip liner from Lancome in Portel. And I also couple it with the two medium Pillow Talk from Charlotte Tilbury, and then the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lipstick, the original one. And I top that off with my Fenty Gloss Bomb. Is that what this is called? Fenty Glow lip gloss on top of it. That's what I'm wearing today. This is a combination I wear all the time. But then outside of that, I also pulled this Revlon red lipstick. This is a beautiful red lipstick for the fall. Look how pretty that is. Absolutely beautiful. I almost always pull a red because you just never know when you need a nice red lipstick. And so some of the other lip liners that I have are the DJ's Boutique in Dark Chocolate, and I also have NYX Suede, Club Hopper. These are a couple that I just leave in here because I use them anytime something doesn't go right. I know that I have those to use. So that is my lineup for the week. I would love to know about anything that you have lined up for the week as far as choosing things else so that you're not getting bored with just being in the house a lot more often. I know a lot of us are working from home now, and it does make a big difference. And it's been making me feel a little bit more productive when I am just doing a little bit more to stay happy and motivated while I'm at home. So I would love it if you were to put any of your things down below that can help out for someone else. And I look forward to talking to you in the future. Bye, guys.